In this video I'm gonna show you how to perform hard reset on your CHiQTV. So to do this, you'll need to press this home button on your pilot, which is located right here. Press on that. Then in the top right corner of your screen you can see the cog icon. Navigate there and press OK. From here, go to System and scroll down to the bottom, like that. And now you can see Restore Factory Defaults. So we're gonna press on that OK. And then type your password for your television, like that. For me it's 1111. And here you will have the prompt that will warn you that what you're doing, and if you're sure, press yes. And now your television screen should start restarting, like that. So we're gonna wait for the entire process to finish. So as you can see, the TV screen has been restarted and you can begin setting it up. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.